Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create simple logo or stamp in Microsoft Word. Now for us to get started, let's head over to the insert button right here and let's go ahead and look for shapes. We're going to look for this particular shape right here. Just going to add something here and then we can click on it. Head over to format shape. I'm going to choose 4 inches right now and you can definitely adjust this later on. But a good rule of thumb though is that the bigger it is as of the moment, the better the quality is going to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some adjustment here, just like so, and then choose no fill. And yep, now that that is done, let's go over and click insert once again, and let's click this smart shape right here, and let's add some text. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna go ahead and choose here Vladimir tutorial, just like so. Head over there, click this one, click transform, and then this is gonna be above. So there's that. And then we can go ahead and make some adjustment here with regards to the um, how how bend you want that to be. So the way that we are gonna adjust it is just by pulling this one right here. And then let's go ahead and put it in the center again. And then let's go ahead and pull this once again. And then you can definitely make adjustment with regards to the size of this one. So let's go ahead and do that as well. Oops, not that much. Let's say 48. All right, and then pull you a little bit. Okay, and then for the spacing, we can definitely adjust that as well. Let's go ahead and click this one and advance spacing. Let's go ahead and add here like 5. Let's go ahead and start with 5. All right, not that yet. Let's put, let's say 20. All right, there we go. And then let's just go ahead and copy this one. So we're gonna go ahead and put this now at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. Yeah, format, transform, and then it's gonna be down under. So instead of that, I'm gonna go ahead and put here YouTube videos. Close this one, and then you can go ahead and just make adjustment to this one. All right, and let's go ahead and put this in center. All right, there you go. And then you can insert some shapes in order to make this interesting for you or make it better. So let's just go ahead and put some cute little stars right here. Let's go ahead and put this 0.4, both. Gonna put that there and then copy that, put it on the other side. All right, there you go. And then you can go ahead and basically insert your logo in the middle. I don't really have a logo as of the moment, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add this here. So pretend that this is my logo. I'm gonna add that in the middle. So yep, that's how you're gonna do it. It's a little bit tricky, a little bit challenging with regards to how you're gonna change format, but definitely it's something that is doable. And again, everybody, that's the way in order for us to create our own logo here in Microsoft Word.